Hello everyone, this is Tanvi from India. In this video, we will learn how you can find research journals that are indexed in Scopus. So it is the need of an hour, or you can say that any MTech student or PhD student is worried about the research journal selection. So this video will let you know how you can find research journals whether they are indexed in Scopus or not. So let us explore. Before going into that, first we will see what is Scopus and its offerings. So Scopus is the largest abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed literature, including journals and conference proceedings. And it has the author details. You can search about authors and you can see the CiteScore, which is powered by Scopus for all the journals that are indexed in Scopus. And thirdly, you can search about various sources. You can preview the Scopus sources, that is providing access to Scopus sources. So let us see how you can see all the sources and how you can find the journals that are indexed in Scopus. So for that, we will go to scopus.com, which is the official website of Scopus, and this is the website. So here you can see there is a button that is sources. Before that, I will let you know that there is a Scopus source list also available. You can download it to see what are the various journals that are indexed in Scopus, discipline wise, field wise, and there is a list to download about various book titles, and there is a list that is powered by Scopus about the discontinued sources list, which means the journals that are no more indexed in Scopus can be found here. So to know about our journal, we will go to sources button. So here I will click and there will be a list available by Scopus, provided by Scopus, from where we can search about our journal details, that whether it is indexed in Scopus or not. So here you can see that there is a list of journals, and suppose let me search about this journal. I will copy it, and there is an option you can search as per the subject area, as per the title, publisher or ISSN. So suppose I have selected title, and here you can mention your title, and then we will search in search bar so that to know whether this journal is available with Scopus or not. So let us see. Here we will click on the journal name to see its presence in Scopus, so that we may recommend this journal for our publication, or we may recommend to the other our friends and colleagues for the research publication. So here you can see that Scopus coverage areas years is from 1972 to present. This means this journal is currently available in Scopus. It is currently indexed in Scopus list, and the publisher details is there, ISSN is there, and subject area of this particular journal or sources is available here. So this is how you can search in Scopus list that whether the particular journal is available in Scopus to the present time as well. Because there are some examples that you can find here that this journal is in Scopus list from 1972 to 2017 or 2018 or even 1990 or 2000, any year. So you can check that whether this particular journal, or if you're trying to publish in that journal, so we can check whether it is in the present times in the Scopus list as well, or it is discontinued. So in the previous page we have seen that there is a list where you can see that about the journals that are discontinued from the list of Scopus. So this is how you can check that whether the journal is in Scopus list. You can see the author details as well, and you can see the CiteScore. So here is a CiteScore. So you can see that CiteScore for 2018 is 41.35, and for the 2019 is 40.81. So if any of your guide or any of your colleague asking for CiteScore, so you can also see the CiteScore rank and trend of that particular journal, and you can also see the content coverage that in 2020 year this particular journal have published 129 documents. In 2019 it was 275 documents. So you can see all the history and citation record as well. So this is the most important page. This the sources one, where you can find everything about that journal which is indexed in Scopus. So this is how you can search various journals in Scopus, and we wish to have your good publication in reputed journals. So thank you.